Hello, my name is Laban Khasipe and I'll be showing my CST2120 video demonstration for my social network website, Daydream. First, I'll show you the registration functionality. There's a bunch of JavaScript validation that basically will prevent you from registering if it doesn't meet the criteria. For instance, if the username is not unique here, as you can see, then it'll prevent the registration, as it will look for it will only store unique usernames. For the number, it must be at least 10 numbers long. It cannot contain either a letter, for instance. It must be numbers only. If not, then it will be invalid. For the password, it must be at least one capital letter and 6 characters long, or else it will not be valid. And the passwords must match with the confirm password and password. If they do not match, then it will prevent registration, and it will dynamically show you all the error messages according to what the error is dynamically here on the form. So username already exists. Let me show you now when you have a valid username, a unique one. So you got the username, make sure it's valid, password as well. It'll turn green once it's valid, and then confirm password. Make sure the confirm password is valid. If not, then you do that. Congrats, you're registered. Once you're registered, it will send the data from the client side and then request the data via post request. Then it will display within the users collection that I have here within my database. As you can see here, it stores the username, password, and the phone number. Next, I'll show you the login. Once you've successfully registered, you can then log in. It will retrieve the data from the client side from the username and password field. Then it will look for any matches within the users collection. If there's a match within the username and the password, then it will successfully log you into the request.session. It will create a new session for you. If they do not match, as I'll show you right now, then you will just dynamically get an error message saying invalid username or password. If you do successfully register with a valid username, then welcome back, select 39, and it'll log you into the request session. Once you've done that, you can go to the profile, which will display the user's name, all the users' posts from the post collection here. So it will dynamically use a query to get all the users' posts dynamically through the username that's currently logged in and display their posts dynamically through JavaScript here on the profile section. It will show the post, number of people that you're following, and the number of people that are following you. To make a post, you can either add text and an image as such, for instance. For text, you can add any text that you want, for instance, be like, I love VR. Then for image, there's we'll handle the image upload via post by retrieving the image and then sending it direct to the uploads directory, which then we can access dynamically to display within our posts containers. As I'll show you here, we just click the upload button. It says congrats, upload success, your post has been sent. Once that post has been sent, it stores within the post collection. As I'll show you here, right here, I'll display the file name, type, text, username, user ID, likes, and the post ID. Next, I will to see the post, you just refresh. As you can see, then I'll show you right here, the post right here, I love VR and all that. Next, I'll just log in again to another user. Right here, welcome back LK669, as one of the users that is stored, and home. Next function I'll show you is the comments. I have added an event listener within the comment icon that will open up the comment container dynamically, and as well for the close button to dynamically close it. To open it, it will display all the comments made, and then you can also add a comment through here via post request that will send the comments straight to the and store it within the comments collection here. It will display the post ID, author name, username, and the text, and then it will dynamically fetch that and display it here within the comments container. Let me show you what happens here. I love VR2. You just click the post button here, it says comment added successfully. As such, it will clear, open up here, then it will display it right here, and I'll show you within the comments. Fine, the comment is right here. Next functionality I'll show you is the liking. For liking, you just click the like button here. It will turn red or either dislike it. Then if you click like again, it'll say already liked the post, so it'll prevent you from liking again and incrementing the number of likes. You use an update one function to dynamically update the number of likes within for that specific post by using their post IDs to dynamically select that specific post made when we're interacting with the dynamic on the client side. It will also update the number of users that keep an array of all the users that like that post. Next functionality I'll show you is the search functionality. You can search for any user you want. For instance, select 39. You go there, then it will dynamically show all the posts made by that specific user that you want to see all their posts dynamically. So specifically see select 39's posts. You can either follow or unfollow them. You can see the number of followings they have, the number of posts they have, and as such. To follow, you just click the follow button here, which is an event listener that will send the post request, say to follow the user. If not, if there's already a match, it finds a match, then you say already follow this user. or you can just unfollow them by using the delete one function to delete the following within the followers collection here, as you can see. Once that's been deleted, of course, easier for unfollow successfully, you just follow them back again, and as such, and it'll dynamically update it within the followers of the following right here. You can also open the comments section here, or like, dislike, it says already liked, or dislike, such. Notifications. Notifications will be sent for every user that you follow whenever they make a new post. So whenever a upload request is sent via a post, it will then also get all the followers of that user who made that post, who's logged in, and send notifications to all the users that follow you. Then those users will receive the notification, and then I'll dynamically fetch all those notifications for those specific users when they're logged in, and it'll display all the users that they follow and whenever they make a new post. For instance, new post from Solar 39, new post from Solar 39 or Colon 12. Those are all the functionalities on my website.